Yes, so country people, Villarreal 0, Manchester United 2, and Manchester United they gidigba on top their group for inside UEFA Champions League. And we get Oga Olawe be like saying a very ogbongelistic Manchester United fan. Make it come tell us about how you see the game. Oga Ola, Carrick on the wheels now. Manchester United don't return to winning ways. How you see the game?
uh, like they talk for matches, wetin dey important by the results. So they get the result, and now we don't qualify for the group because even if we lose our last game, the we don't qualify already. So I feel for this today game, wetin matter like the result at some point because the performances don't dey really bad, and not only the performances but the results too don't dey bad. Assuming say the performances don't dey bad and results dey come, we for no dey too complain. But because the performance, but this result today dey very good, and nothing really don change. If we look wetin the setup, Maguire still play a little bit of mistakes there and there, but the koko be say we get the result, and I just give kudos to one of the players wey stand out today, Sancho. Sancho don dey on a lot of criticism
Yeah.
from rival fans or pundits, but he show wetin he fit do if he did the right thing today. And I just feel today game get the results, carry at the wheel, but I feel
Yeah.
say he no go dey on that wheel for too long because at the end of the day na still na only boy dey gather dey for the stuff. So normally he suppose go, but because our club no good, they no get plans. And if they get plans, they go just get him an interim coach or a permanent coach. But the koko be say we get the results.
Okay. With the changes when Michael Carrick do today for today lineup, in bring Donny van der Beek and Jadon Sancho take start the match. You think say those changes affect the result when Manchester United get today?
I think say the performance is not really dey okay like that, but it's just to show you say he knows say something dey wrong for that team. Bruno Fernandes don lose form for some time now, but only
Yeah.
fit dey play am all games. Even okay, Mesut Ozil get COVID, so he no fit play. But if you look am, Sancho never really play on the right wing until the Watford game, and he play well for that game even though we lose. So bringing Sancho in again for this Champions League game na nice idea, and still don he play. By the end of the day, no much difference because he still get McTominay and Fred for the midfield, and wetin dem fit do. So at the end of the day, even Bruno wey enter, no be say anything do apart from the assist wey he get for the goal. So I feel the performance no really dey good, but we no fit criticize Kai because na just even if he wan implement him own style, na just one training session he get, and how he wan take implement his style in one training session. So now na to build on this team, make we see wetin fit happen against Chelsea again. So but today I just
Okay.
feel today na the result dey very important, and he get the result.
All right now, no be lie you talk. But you think say this result where Manchester United don't get now against Villarreal, you believe say this result go ginger them, can't give them small belief for the game against Chelsea for weekend?
I think say for the game against Chelsea, they no even get any belief because if you look am, those games are big games wey be say players dey turn up normally without even being in good form. Form no dey really dey matter because we dey see teams wey no dey in form win games like that you get. So at the end of the day, this game we just need get the result, and but e go boost them, give them more momentum going into the Chelsea game. And I think the Chelsea game, shocker fit happen. We fit end up getting the result, and you come be like say how man you take do am, but na football at the end of the day, na 11-11, anything happen for pitch na im to happen at the end of the day.
All right now, no be lie Ogaola. Make we enter inside the player rating. Make we start with David Deja. We be like say today in keep clean sheet on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, what you go rate David Deja?
I go give David the 7 for this game because he made some crucial saves. So we say even though make those saves, if we don't do 2 goals down or 3 goals down already for the game, and that's all. And even though we score, we no go fit equalize. So kudos to David Dia for keeping us in the game. So I go give am 7 for today's game.
What about Aaron Wan-Bissaka? What you go rate am?
Yeah, well, Saka, I will give am 6. It get kind of sloppy sometimes, but he do well going forward today. He supports this thing on the wing, Martial, in try. So I'll just give him 6. But the performance never really did that level we want he did. But for today's game, he do what he need to do.
All right now. What about Victor Lindelof and Harry Maguire? What you go rate them?
Because Lindelof, I the other of 2-6 because they see the kind of like saying no good at all. But the guy is everything good for and playing out from the back, a lot of in getting your own impact. I think they make impact for this team. But with Maguire, I'll give Maguire 5 because as you say, Maguire is the captain. He not get that leadership. He's supposed to show that challenge. So let me be the captain. Rally around the team. Let's go. Let's do this. But now even they make the mistakes. So if the captain and they make mistake, how do many players want to perform? How they want to do well? So I just feel say Maguire. I'll just give him 5 for the game. We not concede, so that's an average 5.
All right. What about Alex Telles?
Alex Telles. 5 also. He don't really do much going forward. So and I just, but at least the fact that we keep pushing today, all the players deserve an average score of 5. But I just say he don't really do much going forward. But defensively, he tried here and there. So I'll give him a 5 too.
What about Fred and Scott McTominay?
Those guys, we got to switch up to those guys because we don't continue with Fred and McTominay. I know we win the game, but Fred and McTominay nobody the kind of should be a Manchester United supposed to get because they don't get any creativity, just running around the pitch. Even the matching where they mark before, yes, they know the mark well now again. Once they run around, a lot of sloppiness, losing of the ball. They know they really help the attack going forward. So I don't really see the reason why. Instead of playing the two of them, I would prefer maybe they play one, more play Donny and Fernandez. But the thing is, our coaches, we don't know why. Maybe because of the likes of Maguire and these guys, they make mistakes. So they want to shoot that defense. Now why they play McTominay as first. So I'll give the two of them an average 5.
All right. Now what about Donny van der Beek? Now what do you got it down?
I'll give them a bit 2-5. But Donny van der Beek 5 today, not because of not be all in fault. Fred and McTominay no really do anything to support them. So how only you want to do the work. But if you look at people they try to say at some people now with the criticize them today now saying no play well. So we don't shout say may coming. But he coming in, he don't do the work alone. He needs support of this other player. But if the other players don't say anything to do, how we want to do them? It's going to be Fernandez. Now Fernandez don't be average in form since because he know they get that support from the remaining players. So you know to do them alone. So I give him an average 5 today, sir.
All right. Now what about Anthony Martial? One player where never to they play like that for some time, but today it starts. What do you go rate?
Yeah, for the Watford game, I see him, when he come in, he and Donny they play well. Today too, he do what he do. But the thing is, from my own perspective of football, I still say the midfield is very important when it comes to what the attack will do. So if the midfield no really supply the balls to the attackers, they don't really see anything to do. So as you say, at the end of the day, this players like Martial, they suffer from the inability of the midfielders we will get. So the performance now that's another performance too for Martial. I'll give him 6. I'll give him 5. I'll give him 5.
All right. So what about Jadon Sancho? Today he get 1 goal, starts the game, and him play for a long period of time.
To me, I'm the man of the match for this game.
Okay, Jadon Sancho for you, you're man of the match.
I'm the man of the match for today's game for me. Yes, man of the match. He really do well. From minute 1, now the player will still make impact. In the try teams, you get sometimes when you do some dribbles, 6 of the defenders down, then they know say yes, I did it. Now if you get short, if players where they stamp their authority for games like that, we don't know. At least we're going to do better than what they do. So Sancho, the man of the match, I'll give him 8 for today's game.
So you'll give 8 out of 10 for Jadon Sancho?
Yes, 8 out of 10 for today's game, yes.
All right. What about Cristiano Ronaldo?
Cristiano Ronaldo will get 7 for me. Cristiano Ronaldo is a player who say when the matter most, he go get the goal. And he get that first goal, even though the goal is a mistake from them, but at the end of the day, he take the chance. Those kind goals, those kind players do that for your team because they go take the chances when the chances come. And he take them once as he can. So I give him 7. And if you look at the work rate don't increase, running around the pitch, trying to make things happen, dropping deep to move collect ball, to move and forward to the attack. So now they don't do brilliant shots when he come. And that's like 6 goals now with this type of Champions League. So you go know say this Champions League now Ronaldo team. And we don't know what to do after. We can shock everybody.
On a regular in the deliver. Oh yeah, now make we talk the substitute them very fast. Bruno Fernandes and Marcus Rashford, just give them their rating.
Yeah, Bruno Fernandes, I'll give him a 6 because he enter in get assist. Marcus Rashford still do 1 or 2. Support the the defenders and all. Just so now so to me performance and now the bank average performance and at the end of the day, the token at the result, and we get the results with 2 goals for, and now the important thing with that for today's game.
Not be lie. What about Nemanja Matic and Joan Mata? They're not to play tape, but what you just score them?
We just did a standard 5 because when they enter, they don't really get anything to do, so they just play standard 5 like the rest. So for today's game, at least Joy don't get back. United don't finally get a win after how many games? And don't put the field on top of the net against Chelsea. Even though we don't win, make a third draw. And they watch the podcast for one touch where when the man you guys say 2 draws, they okay. Yes, today okay, I can't say we don't lose, but now we don't get one win. So getting the draw against Chelsea, no bad. And if possible, we even get the win against Chelsea, no shot the world. So sure, we don't arrive, we are back.
Not be lie. All right, now, Gala, thank you for your time, and we hope say you and the rest of Ogbongelistic Manchester United fan when I go enjoy this 2-0 victory today. Too much, Baba.